Hi fam, it's your mentor Josawa here again with another tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to create and verify your Forex trading account as a complete beginner. Most of you have been asking like questions on how to create an account. So I'm going to take you step by step. So the first thing you need to do is like just go to any of my videos you are seeing here, this more, all right? You are seeing this more icon. Just tap this more icon, then you are going to come to the description here. You are seeing all details are here. So all you need to do is like just tab or press this first link here, then it's going to take you to this particular page. All right, it's going to take you to this particular page here. So these are different brokers here. So you see, this is for synthetic indices for beginners. So we are going to focus on what? Creating our Forex account. So create your Forex account for free, best for beginners. So with this broker, if you don't know who a broker is what? The company or organization that connects you to the Forex market. You cannot trade by yourself. You need a broker. This broker is very nice, so that's why we are going to what? Use this particular broker. The minimum deposit is what? $10, and there are different and deposit and withdrawal methods, even local methods. So if you are from Sierra Leone, you are from Nigeria and other part of the world, you are going to be able to deposit and withdraw, and it's going to be like 24/7 withdrawal. So just tap this link. Okay, just tap this link. When you do like, so when you tap the link, it's going to take you to this particular platform. Okay, it's going to take you to this particular platform. So you are going to see register. All right, you are going to see register here, or you just like what? Say create an account. All right, so you either tap register or you say what? Create an account. So you have these sections. First, you are going to select your country or your region of residence. You are going to input your email, and next is our password. So for the residence, let's select here. Let's say I'm from Sierra Leone, so I will select Sierra Leone. If you are from Nigeria or you are from Ghana, just select your country here. Then let's enter our email. So I will use just a random like email. So I'll just use like Fatima Kalisha to say. So I've entered what? My email. Now, when it comes to this password, all right, you must be able to meet this criteria between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper, that's capital letter, one lower, that's small letter, at least one number from 0 to 9, and you have at least one special character. So let's say I can just say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let me show you guys. So like this, then we need to meet what this requirement. So we can say what? Let's say A. So now we have what? And we have what? Small letter again. So it means what? It remains what? One character. So it means now we are what? Good to go. All right, so we are what? Good to go. So let me just use something that I can remember very easy. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's say at. So at TA. All right, so this one are all good. So forget about this what? Partnership code. Leave this one here. If you like, I declare I'm not a citizen of the US, and you are going to type in what? Continue. So you just need to tab in continue. I think they say some error occur. So let's tab here again. So it shows like some error occur, or you can also come here. You create with what? Your Google account. So we tab here. We are going to enter what? Your email here. All right, you enter your email at this particular point, but I'll go back here. All right, I'll go back to this particular like account. So just follow these steps. Okay, just follow these steps to create your account. So I don't know what the error is, but just follow this step to what? Create your account. So let's say you have created this account now. What we are going to do next is we are going to go now to we are going to App Store. Okay, when you go to like App Store, if you are using iPhone, if you are using Android, just go to Google Play Store. You come here and what, you tab what, Xness. Okay, Xness Trading. All right, so you tap this one. This is the app. Make sure what, you install this app or you download this app. So I've already installed this one. I'll press what, open. So now you are seeing here, create account, sign in. We have already what, created our account. I think it's due to my internet also. We have already created what, our account. I already have an account. So what you need to now do is like just come to what, sign in. Okay, tap this sign in. The email which you use, the email address which you used to create the account before, is what you are going to enter here, and this is what, the password. So I'm just going to enter my So I'll just enter my account details here. Then I'll enter my password. So I'm done with what, my email and that of my password, and I'll press sign in. Then you are going to be able to set passcode. All right, so you just set a random passcode. They will ask you again to repeat, so just set this one. Yeah, they will ask you for face ID if you are like going to do this. So now I'm in what, my account. Okay, this is what, the account. This is what, the app. You have now logged in. Now if you have what, just like a brand new account, what you are supposed to do is you are going to come to the top here. If you like what, come to the top here, you're going to see what, this icon. All right, to create what, an account. You are seeing here real account, you are seeing demo account. So if you want to create demo account, you just tap here this plus icon. I'll go again. You come to the top here. All right, then you are going to press this plus icon here. So if you press this, you are going to see a demo account, you are going to see real account. So for a demo account, it means like, well, this is risk free. You just want to practice, you just want to understand this platform, and you are going to learn a whole lot. So you tap for this demo account. So you are going to see like different demo account. The one that is recommended, that is very beginner friendly, is for standard. You are going to see this recommended at the top here. So 10 USD is the minimum which you should deposit and all. You tap this one, then you come to the currency, select your currency. There are different currencies here that are available. If you are from Nigeria, the NGN is here. All right, so you just select this, but I'll keep this to what, the USD. You can add your name here, 12345 6. All right, it's your name, or Josao. You can just write what, let me just write J1, and I'll save like this. So you see now it's J1. Leverage, I've already explained about leverage, so most of the time I'll just keep this to 1:2000. Watch my previous videos if you want to know about leverage. Then I'll tap continue. Then they are going to ask you for your trading password. So I'll enter the same password that I entered like the previous one, like this, when creating the account, or you can use something different. So I will say 1234567 8. Then I will say T A and that of art. So I'll show you guys because I'm not using this account. So this is like what, the account. Make sure you remember this password, because when you're going to connect what, this account to your MT4 or MT5, you need to know this. Then you tap what, continue. So you see we have created what, this account. All right, we have created this account, but there's one more thing which you need to do. You need to what, verify your account. For you to verify your account, you need your ID. All right, so you come to this bottom here where you're seeing what, profile. Then you're going to come to the top here. You are going to see like, I've what, fully verified mine already. You are going to see like what, yellow icon here. You need to fill all this one. So if you tab here, you are going to see what, you are supposed to verify your personal details. You enter your name and all. Then this is your verification document. You need to upload your ID, and they are going to ask you for proof of residence, where you are staying. So you can use your bank statement, your bank receipt, or any other document. When you are fully verified, you are going to see you need to complete this 3/3. I've already created what, a video about how to go about this one. So if I go back, you come to the channel, you press the channel and you go to what my playlist here, then you go to Xness. Okay, so how to create and verify Xness account. This was 9 months ago, so you are going to see all this process here, and how to connect to MT4 and MT5 as well. Okay, so this what you just need to do, and you are going to be what good to go. All right, you are going to be good to go. So this is how you create and you verify what your trading account. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to connect again, but you can watch the previous video. It's like 9 months ago, but you can still watch the process is what still the same. Make sure you don't create a real account. Creating a real account means you are ready to deposit real fund. I'll show you this is how to deposit. Okay, this is how to withdraw, but it's going to be in upcoming tutorials. If you find value in this particular video, it's going to make my day. If you subscribe, like and share this video. If you are meeting me for the first time, I'm Josao.